31 Royal Canadian Air Force construction engineers took part in a week-long training course at the Silver Flag exercise site at Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida, training side by side with their U.S. Air Force counterparts. This training helps prepare Canadian and U.S. airmen to establish, sustain, and recover an airfield during contingency operations. Major David Jane, a Canadian exchange officer with the Air Force Civil Engineer Center at Tyndall, is the head of the Air Force's contingency training program.
So it's a unique opportunity both for them to come and experience the different equipment and the different organization of the U.S. Air Force Civil Engineers, as well as it's a good opportunity for the U.S. guys that are working with them to see and hear about some of the differences in the way they operate, the way that the occupations or trades are laid out, and just to share some of that common operating sees very much the same across both air forces, but it certainly does have its differences. And this is a great opportunity to benefit for everybody, to learn from each other and to experience some things together.
Silver Flag training included procedures to establish an operational airfield, setting up emergency airfield lighting, mobile aircraft arresting systems, as well as providing firefighting support and all the infrastructure required for a base. This course gave the Canadian airmen training opportunities they don't normally get.
Our heavy equipment guys get out a chance to do working on the airfield, working on heavy equipment that they don't get the opportunity to work on a lot in Canada.
Major Jane says joint training like this gives U.S. and Canadian airmen a chance to learn from each other's methods, build cooperation, and maintain capabilities for joint operations.
I think the U.S. Air Force benefits from us. We bring a little bit of a different perspective. We're not scared to sort of step out of our lane and understand a little bit more, bring another view of things, and try to impact that on the mission for the U.S. Air Force and make things better.
With the joint environment, it's pretty good because you get to see how they normally do things versus how we do, the different techniques.
Students from both countries expect lasting benefits from this combined training experience.
I think the biggest part is just developing and maintaining a relationship with our neighbors to the south.